March VBKit Free Spirit today, and this is super on trend as far as the boho vibes and the neutral color tones. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So let's start off with this month's kit card. So you've got your inventory list on one side, and then flip it over and you've got this really cute line art with a little quote, and this is perfect for tipping into your journals or adding into your planners, whether punching or washi taping, just adding it in for an extra little bit of cuteness to tie into the rest of the VB kit. I really love how Tiffany did the sticky notes this month. So you get this set of 4 different box sticky notes, and each one has space at the top to add your list or your notes, and then space at the bottom to write your dates, check things off. Makes it very functional and also really cute. And for this month's page flag set, you get this transparent box flags, which are great because you can use them vertically, horizontally, however you want in your planners. And they should fit, if you use them this way vertically, they should fit right inside of the standard box sizes of your planners. Now don't forget to turn your backer card over and make sure you peel off this protective film. And keeping up with a transparent theme, we've got a set of 6 different transparent cards. So we've got the desk scene, hello, some line art, and these all have the gunmetal foiling on them too, which is so pretty. There's this one with the pin, and then this one with the good vibes and the boho rainbow. And these also, they have the little protective film right here on the back. You can usually get them up pretty easily on the corners to just peel those right off. And one of my favorite items from this month's VB kit is this macrame keychain. I mean, how pretty is this? I love the charm. I mean, this part has like glitter inside of it, and I've seen these as wall hangings. I love them, the way they look, the whole vibe of them. And so yeah, I am really excited to add this onto my handbags or my VB tote. I haven't decided exactly where I'm gonna put it yet, but I can't wait to use it. It's so pretty. And another really fun product from this month's VB kit is this My Pretty Pins boho rainbow neutral pin sleeve. So all you do is slide this up and you can tuck in a few VB pins in here. It's got this really soft material on the inside lining it, and then you just close the flap back and you've got a nice way to store a few of your favorite VB pins or carry them around with you. It is all about the accessories this month. Check out this adorable charm chain that's got the line art featured from the kit, plain on the back, and it's got this kind of little closure on the chain here, so perfect for adding onto your planners. Whether you have spiral, discs, rings, you can snap that right on there, or if you want to put it somewhere else like on your handbags or wallets or your actual keys, VB tote, VB clutch. I love when she adds things that allow you to bring the VB gorgeousness, you know, outside of just your planner as well. And a couple of new products here. We've got the die cut sticker washi rolls, so let's roll those out and take a look. All right, so here's our first roll, and it's got 2 different fonts with different words on there. And as you can see, well, hopefully you can see in this light, they are die cut right around the text on here, and I'll give a little example. So you just pick which word you want to use, peel it right off of the roll, and then I've got a little sheet here to do a test, just for the transparency. So this is how it looks off of the roll and on some grid paper. So that the outside line is pretty transparent, so it should blend in really well with your planners, whether you're using pattern backgrounds or just plain white. And then our second roll here has the Deco stickers. So we've got some fun different shapes. I love the VB pin on there, and these are the same. So you will just pick one that you like, peel it directly off the roll. Here's what it looks like just on my finger, and then here's what it looks like on the grid paper. So just to show you an example, and as you can see, the roll is pretty thick, so you can make it last for a while, especially if you just use it sparingly. And then I saw a tip, I believe it was from Lala Plans Life on Instagram, where she wrapped a hairband around it to keep it closed instead of having it like sit like this, you know. However, I just peeled off a little bit of the sticker part on the edge so it'll peel on top. Now that may affect the stickers too, so I'm not sure, because like on this one I don't have it peeled back at all. So if you didn't wrap it, it would just kind of unravel like that a little bit. So, and next up we have the kit washies, standard and skinny size. So let's go ahead and unroll those. All right, first up we have the standard size roll, which features an abstract pattern with some gunmetal foiled lines throughout there. And for the skinny size pattern, we've got this boho rainbow pattern, which has the gunmetal foiling through there. And this is such a pretty one. I'm sorry about this lighting. It just got cloudy all of a sudden. It's hard to see on here, but yeah, this is really pretty. And here's a little washi swatch as well, just to show how they look actually on the paper. Next up, let's flip through the Free Spirit stickers. We've got the mini deco sheet up first, which has the VB pins up at the top, and then the deco down at the bottom, and it does have the gunmetal foiling on there. And then for the sticker book, as always, you've got the kit title and date here at the top, and then on the back an overview showing all of the different sheets. So let's flip through, get some close-ups here of the full boxes first. And then we've got the circle icons, some labels and bill stickers. Then another sheet, we've got some more full boxes with plenty of space for writing things down, and then some quarter boxes down at the bottom, and those are fully foiled. These three down here are. And then this full sheet of half box stickers. Then we've got our headers and labels in a foiled font. And then some of the double headers down here, some scalloped boxes. A full sheet of this beautiful boho deco. I love this color palette, the theme, all of it is just beautiful. And the next page, we've got flags, banners, and checklists. And then 2 sets of date covers, some arrows, a couple of tabs here at the bottom, and quote boxes. And then for the last sheet, we've got 3 double boxes and then 5 hexagons. And that is this month's sticker book. And here is the Free Spirit VB pin. This is so beautiful. So all of the kit VB pins are named after the kits that they come in. So this is Free Spirit. It has got a gorgeous terracotta matte paint, black logo, gunmetal hardware, and then the crystals inside looks like clear, and then some brown and orangey shades maybe. The official description would be on the website. You can grab that as well if you like to track those things, and you can also find it on the VB pin catalog, which is a cool spreadsheet that has all of the VB pins that have been released along with their pictures and details. Just some cool reference points if you like to track those kinds of things. I mean, this is just such a pretty pin, like perfectly coordinated to this month's kit. I mean, every month she just knocks it out of the park with this. All right, and to finish it off, I will flip through the Free Spirit paper pack. As you may know, the paper pack is a separate purchase. You can either get the basic kit during pre-orders or the basic kit plus a paper pack. Everything is the exact same between both kits except for the addition of these papers, which means that you get 6 sheets of 8.5 by 11 inch double-sided papers, decorative papers. You get 4 card stocks, which is what I'm flipping through now, and you also get 2 sheets of specialty paper, which I will flip through in just a second. I love this set right here, like both sides of this one is so pretty. And then for those specialty sheets, we get 2 vellums. So here's the pattern for the first vellum. And here is the pattern for the second vellum. Here's a look at all of the digitals for this month. You get all of these clip arts and papers to use over and over again. They're only included with pre-orders though, so don't miss out on next month's. Pre-orders go live every month on the 20th. You can find all of the VB links in the description below for more information. The Planner Inspiration blog in the VB shop has over 100 tutorials, product close-ups, projects, setups, and more from the VB design team, all showing different ways and ideas for how to use the VB kits. Did you know that VillabeauTIFFul also has VB freebies for each VB kit? You can find free phone wallpapers to download that coordinate with this month's VB kit right now on the shop blog. And don't forget to follow the VB team over on Spotify, where you can find playlists to set the mood for all of the monthly VB kits. If you've already followed and given a playlist a listen, I'd really love to know what you thought about it. And that does it for this month's VB kit. I hope that you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and drop any of your questions and comments down below. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you next time.